This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, September the 7th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see the monsoonal flow continues over the desert southwest. The remnants of Tropical Storm Lee are over eastern Tennessee, with a frontal system extending into the Atlantic, and the moisture will remain off to our east. The watch warning map from just after midnight shows the flash flood watches and warnings from North Carolina through the mid-Atlantic into the New England states. Otherwise, everywhere west of that, things are quiet. QPF chart: precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock shows the heaviest rain will be over Pennsylvania, where up to 10 inches is possible. You can see some rain extending back even as far west as the eastern part of the state. That's likely not going to happen. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see the upper level feature over the Ohio Valley with the remnants of Lee, and you see Katia off the Carolina coast. At the surface, we're under high pressure, sunshine with some mixed clouds and highs in the lower to mid 70s after morning lows in the upper 40s. Thursday, still under the influence of high pressure, lows in the upper 40s to mid 50s, highs in the low to mid 70s with some upper 70s possible. Friday, some clouds will be moving in from the remnants of Lee, although the model shows that there could be a shower. It's likely going to be in Illinois with highs in the 70s. Saturday, still some clouds around, but most of the moisture will be south and east of the state. Highs will be in the low to mid 70s after lows in the lower to middle 50s. Sunday, that pushes away, and we're still under sunshine with dry skies and highs in the 70s, lows in the 50s. And then we head to Monday. See a new storm system coming in from the northwest, but we're still going to be dry. Highs in the mid to upper 70s by that point. And Tuesday, a frontal system moves in that could spark off a shower or storm. Ooh. So that could be the next widespread chance of rain, and right now it looks to be about 20 to 30%. A week from today, the 14th, you can see that trough with the vortex east of the state with a northwesterly flow aloft. Here we'll have high pressure moving in with cool conditions. This could bring some temperatures back down into the upper 60s and lows back into the upper 40s by the middle of next week. We move further into the month. Here's the 18th. The storm track is near the U.S.-Canadian border again with little ripples along it. At the surface, some showers, storms, some Gulf moisture, could be some tropical disturbances in the Gulf. Too early to determine that at this time. And at the end of the forecast on September the 22nd, a wavy pattern now. Trough over the east, ridge over the west, another trough moving into the Pacific Northwest. With that, nothing much around here except a northwesterly flow and cooler conditions with a storm system, possibly tropical, affecting the New England states. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.